Your OpenClaw agent can browse the web, write code, and run commands. But it still gets stuck at sign up because it can't receive email. In under 2 minutes, let's fix that. Step 1. Go to robotomail.com and create an account. Verify your email, then copy your API key. It starts with rm_. Keep it handy. OpenClaw needs it next. Step 2. And here's the trick. You don't install anything yourself. You just ask your agent. Tell OpenClaw to install the Robotomail skill. Then point it at your API key in 1Password. Don't paste secrets in chat. It pulls the key, connects, and it's ready to send and receive real email. Now let's watch it work. The agent owns a mailbox, triage agent at robotomail.co. From Gmail, send it a verification email, like any signup would. Within seconds, OpenClaw receives a clean JSON event: sender, subject, the parsed body, the code, the thread. No IMAP, no raw MIME. The agent grabs the code, finishes the signup, then forwards the confirmation to you, one post to the message's endpoint. Robotomail returns the message ID, inbound to outbound, fully autonomous. Need more? It's all there. Bring your own custom domains, fire a webhook on every inbound message, or subscribe to a live server-sent event stream. That's an OpenClaw agent with its own email address in under 2 minutes. Get started at robotomail.com. Go build.